Hello there and welcome to the walk around of the BMW 435D convertible here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk you through some of the features and options, then we'll jump through into the interior to have a little look at the interior features. So of course, starting with the outside, you will see that this vehicle does benefit from having the BMW M Performance carbon fibre front splitter, along with having the M Performance gloss black kidney grills. The vehicle also has the BMW M Performance 405 alloy wheels. These alloy wheels are the genuine M Performance alloy wheels, and they are the 20-inch with the Pirelli P0 tyres all the way around. It also benefits from having the LED headlamps, as you can see in operation there, with the projector LED inners, as you can see in operation. Moving down the side, we have the M Performance carbon fibre mirror caps. Down the side, we have the side vinyls and M Performance stickers. The interior, as you can see, is the stunning red Dakota leather. It also has the memory function for the driver's side and electrical adjustment on the passengers. We also have the power fold mirror function, the superb multifunction M Sport steering wheel, and we'll get through into the interior features in a bit more detail in just a moment. Rear space for the convertibles is plenty of space there, and of course, especially when you've got the roof down, you've got all the headroom in the world. The alloy wheels on this particular vehicle cost in excess of about £2,000 without the tyres, and they are in the original diamond cut with grey inserts, which matches very nice with the mineral grey of the body colour. Moving round to the rear, where we have the twin exit exhaust, which we've just had a conversion carried out on the vehicle, so it is purely for the aesthetics rather than the performance. And we of course change out the diffuser for the 440 435i diffuser conversion. Exceptionally clean and tidy example, and we can show you the boot in just a moment. So I just need to go and click the unlock button. There we go. And let's have a little look at the boot space. We can do quite a nifty little feature thanks to BMW's cleverness. So as we've got the roof folded down, but we can open the roof back up or close the roof, whichever way you look at it, thanks to the clever button that they put here to allow you to properly utilise all the boot space. As you can see, plenty of space in the boot, and we've also got a little bit of storage on the left. Simply close that back down and then we can reopen the roof. Lovely. So there we have in a bit more detail the passenger side with the electric function, Isofix ready rear bench, gloss black air breather on both front wings. Okay, so we'll jump into the driver's side and just show you in a bit more depth the interior features and options. So the vehicle itself has covered just over 32,000 miles, as you can see there. We of course have got the heated seats along with the electrically adjusted. It has the BMW Professional wide navigation and media. We also have that superb 8-speed sport gearbox with the paddle shift. It has cruise control with the speed limiter function, voice control, volume controls, automatic headlights and automatic wiper. Bluetooth for calls and once again media. DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration of the roof closing function, and then I will show you the car with the roof fully folded. So of course it is a all electric roof, of course. This can be operated up to speeds of up to 15 miles an hour. And of course along with that you do get the black headlining as well once the roof is fully closed. There we have it. I'll just show you the power fold mirrors. As you can see, we've got the service requirements up now on the screen, and as you can see, it's not due an engine oil change for 7,000 miles. And if we go into the service history on the vehicle, you can see we've got the full service history. Okay, so that pretty much finishes off the walk around for the 435D convertible in mineral grey. And as I said, you can now just have a quick glance at it with the roof closed. Okay, thank you very much for watching. We do, of course, hope you found the video useful, but most of all, we do hope to see you very soon here at your next car. Thank you and goodbye.